So next one, observe 38 problem. A1, A2, A3, so on, A10, Rn, AP, given AP series, and first term given A1 is equal to 3. First term is equal to 3, and SP given. SP means sum of P terms. Sum of P terms. Okay. So sigma I is equal to 1 to P. AI. So I is equal to 1 to P means if you take I is equal to 1, A1, plus I is equal to A2, plus I is equal to 3, A3, plus I is equal to 4, A4, like that only. Okay. So here P values are existing between 1 to 100 and included 1 to 100. This one. Okay. So these all are P values 1 to 100, like that only. So SP means sum of P terms. S2 means sum of 2 terms, means A1 plus A2. S5 means sum of 5 terms, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, like that only. So Sm means sum of M terms. Sn means sum of N terms. Okay. And what is the N values? N values are between 1 to 20 only. N values between 1 to 20. M value, M is equal to 5 times of N. M is equal to 5 times of N. N values is lies between 1 and 20, and 20 also include. Yes, 20 also included. Okay, 1 less than or equal to N less than or equal to 20. M is equal to 5N. So what is asking? What is the A2? A2 value. What is the value of A2? Asking. But here one condition is there. Sm by Sn. This ratio does not depend on N. What is the meaning of this one? Sm by Sn does not depend on N. So does not depend on N means this ratio did not contain this term. Means this is independent of N. Independent of N means we have to remove N terms. In this ratio does not containing this term, nth term means N. So does not depend on N means that is the meaning, means this ratio does not containing N. So means we have to remove N. What is the meaning? That is called independent of N. Okay, independent of N. Same model you do 24th problem, 24th, independent of X, like that, independent of N meaning. Okay, so here we have to find the Sm by Sn ratio. Okay, so here given first term is A1. A1 means first term, A1 is equal to A. A2 is equal to A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. First term, second term, third term, like that. So here A1 is equal to 3 means A is equal to 3. Okay, A is equal to 3 given. Okay, so you have to find Sm by Sn. So M by 2 into 2A plus M minus 1 into D by here N by 2 of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here M by 2 of 2A plus M minus 1 into D, N by 2 of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, here given condition Sm by Sn does not depend on N, means we have to remove N terms. What is the condition? For what condition we have to remove N? So here given one more, M is equal to 5N. So in place of M taken as 5N. So Sm by Sn, that is equal to, here M is there, in place of M 5N. 5N, get to cancel, 5M, 5N of 2A plus 5N minus 1 into D by here N of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here first term A is equal to 3 given. Now substitute A value. A is equal to 3 given. So N cancel. So 5 of A is equal to 3 means 6. 6 plus 5 ND minus D by 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus ND minus D. Okay. So which terms are common here? Here now observe 5 of 6 minus D plus 5 ND. So this is taken as one group by 6 minus D plus ND. Okay. If 6 minus d here is there. 6 minus d is 0. Then what's happened? If 6 minus d is equal to 0, then what's happened? So this is 0. So 5 5 is a 25 nd by here nd. So nn cancel means d also remove, dd also cancel. So we get nn cancel means this ratio does not contain n. Okay, when this is possible, if 6 minus d is equal to 0, here 6 minus d is there, here 6 minus d is there. If 6 minus d is equal to 0, this ratio does not contain n. So that's why here taken as a relation 6 minus d is equal to 0. Okay, so d is equal to how much? 6. D is equal to 6, a is equal to 3. What is asking? A2. A2 means a plus d. So 3 plus 6. So A2 is 9. A2 value is how much? A2 is equal to 9. Okay. So here given condition Sm by Sm, this ratio does not contain n, means not there n, means we have to remove n. How to remove n? If 6 minus d is equal to 0, then we get this total term is 0. So 25 nd by nd. So then easily cancel, nn cancel. So in this case, so we get this ratio does not contain n. So that's why here we get d is equal to 6, already given a is equal to 3. So a2 is 3 plus 6 9. So you do 24th problem, same order, 24th. Okay, same order.